One MS-B106L, a biological video microscope. It combines optics, photoelectric conversion, and LCD screen technology. 10.6-inch IPS screen, 1366 by 768 resolution, magnification from 40x to 1800x. Compact and stable structure ensures stable sample observation. Suitable for all users. Equipped with WF-10X 18 wide field eyepiece, 30-degree inclined binocular head, interpupillary distance adjustable from 47 to 78 mm. Easy and flexible operation, coaxial cores and fine focus precision 0.002 mm per graduation. Equipped with NA 1.25 condenser, comes with slide holder and graduated stage, perfect for biological sample observation. Multiple objective lenses included, magnification from 40x to 1800x, clear imaging with AB condenser. For plant cell observation, easy operation, clear imaging. Quick focus after magnification change, continuous viewing.